morning, students. So, in the last class, we are going to discuss about the chapter metals and non-metals. I hope all of you understood the metals and non-metals concept, like physical and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So, the chapter some concept becomes skipped in this year. So already you know that very well about the metals and the non-metals. What are the concepts skipped and what are the concept comes your examination, right, at the end of the academic year. So let us go for new chapter that is a very important for your examination, that is called how do organism reproduce, right? So before going to reproduction, so all living organisms having there is a characteristics. You know that very well. What are the characteristics of living organism? In many times I am going to discuss with you people, right? So one of the major character of the living organism, reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but it is the capacity of all organism. It is the capacity of all organism. They have to reproduce young ones of its own kind. ತನ್ನಂತೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜೀವಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ನೀಡತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ಗಿವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಗಿವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ reproduction. So why the organisms, all organisms, they are going to reproduce? Because to continuation their species. Because to continuation their species. Species means ಪ್ರಭೇದ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜೀವಿಯು ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಭೇದವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್, it may be unicellular organism, it may be multicellular organism. So each and every organism, they are going to reproduce because to continuation their species, right? So reproduction ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು reproduce. That is the characteristics of all living beings, right? So in the reproduction there are two types of reproductions are there, mainly classified into two types. They are, one is the sexual reproduction, another one is the asexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction makes with the help of gametes. The sexual reproduction takes place by gametes, like the male gametes and the female gametes. If the reproduction does not take place by gametes, we can call it a asexual reproduction. You know that very well about the reproduction types in the 8th standard. Is it clear? So what do you mean by reproduction? Reproduction is the capacity for all organisms, they have to reproduce, give birth to young ones of its own kind because of to continuation their species. In the reproduction there are two types. One is the asexual reproduction and another one is the sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction means what? In the reproduction process, gametes are not participate. Gametes are not participated during the reproduction. So that type of reproduction we are going to call as a asexual reproduction. If gametes are participate in the reproduction, that is nothing but sexual reproduction. Is it clear? So reproduction is nothing but give birth to young ones. Give birth to young ones of its own kind. Give birth to young ones of its own kind. That is nothing but reproduction. In the reproduction there are two types. One is the sexual reproduction, and another one is the asexual reproduction. That is we are going to call as a asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction, the sexual reproductions are the type of reproduction in an organism. So sexual reproduction takes place in the help of gametes. Sexual reproduction takes place with the help of gametes, or the reproduction takes place by sex cells. The reproduction takes place by sex cells. So asexual reproduction does not take place with the help of without. The asexual reproduction takes place without gametes. Without gametes. Without gametes, the reproduction is called asexual reproduction, or without sex cells. Without sex cells, we are going to call as a asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction by which gametes are not participate in the reproduction. If a sexual reproduction, the reproduction takes place by sex cells or gametes, right? So these are the reproduction types, like a sexual and asexual reproduction. So during the reproduction process, variations comes. Large number of variations comes from the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction or huge quantity of variations come. Variations are the main character of a living organism, because of survival in the environment. Environment will survive agabekandra, so each and every organism, they are different. They are different. That is the thing. But the differentiation or different characters the characters does not come from parents. The characters comes from genetical changes. That is the thing. But heredity material. The variations comes from sudden changes in the genetic material. That is nothing but heredity material. That is nothing but DNA. DNA olaga heredity material olaga some changes again. So that changes makes the organism is different from the parent. Parent in the organisms young ones different again because of variation. So variation is the character of the organism to survival in the nature. The variation does not come from parents. The variation comes from genetical changes in the organism. Is it clear? So this is the point. And the next concept is asexual reproduction. So many organisms, lower organisms, not a higher organisms, lower organisms reproduce without gametes. Without gametes. So the without gametes, what are the asexual reproduction methods? There are methods are there. One is the fission. Fission is the one of the method of asexual reproduction. Now second one, fragmentation. Fragmentation is also the type of asexual reproduction. And third one, regeneration. Regeneration is also one of the asexual reproduction. And fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding. Which one? Budding. Budding is also one of the asexual reproduction. And fifth one, vegetative reproduction. So vegetative reproduction is nothing but vegetative propagation. Propagation is also asexual reproduction method. And sixth one, spore formation. So these are the methods of reproduction. Which type of reproduction? Asexual reproduction. Like fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative reproduction, that means vegetative propagation, and spore formation. These are the 6 methods of asexual reproduction takes place in the lower organisms. Is it clear? So asexual reproduction means what? the reproduction takes place without gametes. So in the fission there is no gametes participate here. In the fragmentation also gametes are not participated. Regeneration is also the type of asexual reproduction. Here also gametes are not participated. And budding, vegetative propagation, that means spore formation, all the 6 methods of reproduction, in these reproduction the gametes are not participated. So that's why all these 6 methods of reproduction we are going to call as asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction, these methods only in lower organisms. Is it clear? Let us go for first asexual reproduction, it is fission. Right? We are going to discuss about fission.